Hello everyone. So today we'll talk about social stratification. We'll basically be focusing on functionalist perspective of social stratification. So there is one important person called Parson who has theorized that every society has certain norms and values associated with it. A different reward is associated with differential conformity to these norms and values, which leads to creation of stratification in society. Similarly, David Murray is another functionalist sociologist who theorizes that there are some important positions and there are lesser important positions in society. Higher reward is attached to important position and lower reward is attached to less important position. So talented people, there is a limited pool of talented people who needs to be at the higher position. So higher reward attracts these talented people to reach those higher position and serve the purpose in the society. And these functionalist theorists mainly wants to tell that in a society social stratification is important because they help the society to function, because there are roles that needs to be filled by different individuals with different talent sets, and stratification helps in these role filling. However, there is one person called Turner who does not agree with the above point. There is Tumin also, but first we'll talk about Turner. So Turner says that functionalist perspective suffers from illegitimate teleologies. So basically, what does he mean by that? That functionalist perspectives suffer from illegitimate teleologies. So basically, here the question and answer are, I mean, they are vice versa. If you ask someone a functionalist perspective from a functionalist perspective theorist,